So, out of nowhere though, this one, SGMA, came up. Sometimes when they move like this, if you use a big enough position, we should be able to peel some money out of it. There, we're going to use 3,500 pieces, which equals 50,000 bucks. Shit. I'm going to want to do it like right now. See if I can get any action off of this. I'm going to watch this super closely. If we can break out of this area, we're going to be laughing. It'll be a really good time. Yeah, it's almost a blue skies chart, so we're just going to take profit as soon as possible. When this thing breaks 1450s here, we got 30 minutes left in the day. So when this breaks 1450, it's going to want to go pretty good probably if we can break 1450. A little bit of a cowboy move here, but I mean, sometimes you can get paid for these, right? Not very often, but sometimes you get paid. I'm going to start building some orders here to start getting rid of some of this position. So now that it's done that, we're going to drop 1,500 units at $14.80 if we can. We're actually going to automate some more. I'm going to limit, we'll do it at probably 95, another 1,500, and that would leave us with 500 units. And that would be realistically pretty good scenario there for monies. Let's play this out. We got 27 minutes left in the day. This could be the push. I'd like to tape this in real time. It'd be pretty slick. Come on, 80. We want 80. 80's just above where our last high was. Once we break above our original, right now, we should kind of go up there without too much trouble. Oh, boom. There's one. Stop now goes up to 40. Stop goes up 1440. Oh, come on, baby. Go for 2. Give me 2. Give me the 90. Oh, you fucking bitch. As if. 95 was the high. We didn't get it because it... God damn it. There it is. Go, baby, go. This should push into it, no problem. Here we go. Come on, that's 95 again. Give me the sell. Give me the sell. What is going on here? Sell it. Yes. Yes. Now we take our stop up to 55. Quickly, quickly, quickly. You fucker. It just wicked me out. You fucker. Oh, I can't believe it wicked me out. Look at how low that wick went. Talk about liquidity on one way, but not the other way. It's always good for the market maker, but not for me, right? That went all the way down to 30. Holy smokes, 1430. That's 1476. So we got out of there. Fuck, man, we got really lucky. We got super lucky on that one for the order fill. Nicely done. But watch, it'll waltz right out of here. It'll waltz right out of here now. Watch this. Like a panic, eh? It's almost like a panic. A panic to take profit. Yeah, sorry about that. I had to get my calculator out. Boom! 450 plus 675 plus 130 on that protected stop. Oh, man. That's $1,255. Look at the timestamp here. 1530, that means 330.08, 335, $1,255. The power of sizing up. Look at what the chart's doing now. Completely reversing. Every one of these. Okay, so let's just say we started with 50,000 bucks. 50,000 bucks times 0.01 is 500. So that first order that got filled was less than 1%. 125. The second order is like 1.5%. Not even. 1.3%. 1.4. 1.4%. Yeah. So, and then the last one was miniature. So awesome. Way to go, man. Nicely fucking done right before the weekend. Nicely fucking done. See what happen when you can catch these and actually, yeah, when you catch them, you actually take the money out of them. Now, let me remind you, this was a little bit risky once we got up in here. And if we had our alert system working, we would have caught on to this and been able to catch on to this a lot. We probably would have been able to get some of this move, right? Like, we would have got some of this move. It probably would have wanted to enter, like, right in here. So saying that, you would have got a ton. Could have got a ton with the alert system. Right in this bridge even would have been pretty good. 7%? Holy moly. 5%? We're talking, we pulled out maybe 2% of the whole thing, right? What was it? It's 12. Sorry. It's going to get long here for a second here. What was it? It was $1,200? $1,225 was the win? Sorry for the delay here, folks. Yeah, so like 2.4% of the whole move. That's all we pulled out of there. And that's the power of sizing up right there. You know what? And like, how do you feel bad about that? You can't feel bad about that. Even if this goes on further, how can you feel bad about taking $1,200 out of the market? You can't. That's the trick, is taking the money out. Yeah, man. High fives, man. High fives. High fives, high fives, high fives, man. Because when we do it in real time. Because it's not what you trade. Well, I guess it is. It's a combination of what you trade. But, I mean, you still have to do the do, right? It's how you trade. Is one of the most... It's the critical thing, man. Critical. Yeah, nicely fucking done. Now, really, like, where's the pattern now? Buy the dip? Oh, so I was like, you know what? Look at it. Why not fucking try and do it again and make some more money? And then I was like, you know what? Because you're going to end up giving it back. That's a good possibility, right? And, like, you got to be freaking quick and ballsy to do this. Shit, it's doing it, too. Fuck. Yeah, shit, we just missed it. $14.25 was the, kind of order placement, but once it gets past this 45 level, it's probably going to want to take off. Has to get by the 45 to really be anything, but you'd be in the money right now, so you could actually protect against this. You could take some off. You could, a lot of little nuances to it, right? And that's the real trick and key to the whole thing, is the nuances of how to actually take the money off. Don't hang around too long. That's a huge part, man. Get in, get out, get your money, go. Think about it almost like a bank robbery. You gotta get the money when you can get it and get out safely without getting in trouble. Now we got like this little mini double top thing going on. Yeah, so that level there is pretty important. Let's see if it can break it right now. If it can break out of there right now, it's off to the races. But I double checked our, giving back money. Yeah. It wouldn't take much to give back 2.5% in this type of environment. This thing could just completely collapse at any, it doesn't have to obey any rules or anything like that, right? Touchy. So we had to live through a little bit of that pain there. Hopefully it'll come back. And the lesson was that I didn't have my selling part of the order set up in time, because it ran up and it grabbed it in like 1 second, And then we had to sit there and like chew our fingers off. And here we go. Now we have it set up. I want to take off a good portion of this at 1490. Hopefully it gets there again, and then we're laughing. Not much time left on the clock here. And with something like this, you can maybe leave 500 on. I don't know why you'd want to. I'd probably just want to take it all off. So I modified that again. I want to take off everything. I'm going to leave 100 on. 100 would be like 1,400 bucks, right? So I'm going to leave that on. And hopefully we can get that 90 right now. Come on, 90. Give it to me. Give me 90. Come on. Oh, that was 90. Go again. Why is it brick wall in it? Yes, yes, yes. We got it. Yes. So now we can leave 100 on. Yeah, we can leave the 100 on. It's closing strong. It's closing strong. So we could leave this on and, not worry about it. Boom. There you have it. Another 1,394 bucks. That puts today, oh man, what the heck is that? This is huge, eh? The first was 12 something, so that's, 16, that's 2,600 bucks today. Booyah. And we're leaving some on. Oh man, we were in trouble though at one point. Yeah, we were down maybe 2% or something at one point. It was kind of unnerving. I just, give back everything that you've already tried to get, right? Tough one. Cowboy trading, this is what it is. I'm going to pause it there. There's the end of the day. Take a look at it a little bit later in the after hours, see how bonkers it's going to go. Hopefully it goes fucking apeshit. Oh my goodness, it's up 5% or so in the after hours. Oh my goodness, I guess we're going to have to say like, subscribe, share. We do this in real time every time. It's how you trade, man. It's how you take the money out of it. That was a little sloppy and cowboyish, but you guys still get your high fives. Oh man, that was a beaut, man. That was a beaut. Yeah, there's the whole thing. There's the whole thing one more time. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Now, think about it like this. That could have been $45, $67, $13, and this could be $139. See how the zeros make no difference? Oh, they make the difference. You can also lose this much per shot. Do you see what I mean, though? So this could have been a really rinky-dink 45, 67, 13, like that's $120 win, and this could have been $130, $140 win. You can say it a bunch of different ways, but that's all there is to it.